A. Structural engineering. What is structural engineering? Structural engineering plays a vital role in the planning, design, supervision, and implementation of a construction project for the structure to be materialized. Pero before that, bago tayo magpatuloy, meron mga types ang civil engineering. Ang una, construction and management engineering. Second, geotechnical engineering. Third is yung structural engineering. And fourth, transport engineering. And pang-five is water engineering. How to become an structural engineering? So, here's the requirement before to become an structural engineering. So, first, dapat licensed civil engineer ka na. And the second, finish ka ng Master of Science in Civil Engineering in Structural Engineering or MSE in Structural Engineering. To qualify as an associate member, the applicant must show that, first, he or she is at least 25 years of age at the time of application. Second, have at least 3 continuous years of full-time structural engineering practice and must have accumulate 20 continuing professional development units from ASEP, Accredited Structural Engineer Conference, seminars, or conventions within the 4 years prior to application, or earn 12 units in master's degree in civil engineering major in structural. And third, endorsed by 3 active regular member or fellow of ASEP, either exclusively from the either grades or a combination of those. Last is pass the screening process conducted by the Membership Screening Board or MSB by the Association of Structural Engineers of the Philippines. So hanggang dito na lang ako guys. So i-discuss ng aking mga kasamahan ng other informations pa patungkol sa structural engineering.
Hello classmate, I am Clarice Junio Eranista and I'm going to report the responsibilities of structural engineer. So before that, I will give you the roles of structural engineer. So structural engineer plays a vital role in planning, design, supervision, and implementation of a construction project for the structures to be materialized. They can be considered as the backbone of the construction team since they are in charge of keeping the project safe and sound from the design to completion of the project. They are responsible for overall design in terms of feasibility, economic, strength, and integrity of the structures. Overall, the duties of structural engineer begin with planning through the proper coordination with the architects and MEP engineers. Upon proper coordination, the design and analysis of the project take place and the authority approval of the project to the project implementation and the completion are also a part of their responsibilities. So these are the responsibilities of structural engineer. So first, prepare reports, design, and drawing. So sila yung nagpe-prepare ng mga reports, mga design, na construction nila, and then yung pinakang drawing. So, second is make calculation about the pressure, loads, and stresses. So, sila yung gumagawa ng calculations about dun sa total na gagastusin or gagamitin dun sa buong construction na yon. Then, number 3, provide technical advice on safe designs and constructions. And number 4, consider the strength of construction materials and select appropriately. So, sila din yung namimili ng mga construction materials na gagamitin nila. At syempre, sinisigurado nila na matitibay yung mga construction materials na kanilang gagamitin. So next is obtain planning and or building regulations approval. So the regulations apply to the most new buildings and many alterations of the existing buildings. A series of approved documents provide general guidance on how specific aspects of building design and construction can comply with the building regulations. So next is analyze configuration of the basic components of structure. Then monitor and inspect all work undertaken by contractors to ensure structural soundness. So sila yung nagpapacilitate kung lahat ng mga construction workers nila ay gumagawa. And then next is administer contracts and manage projects. So sila yung gumagawa ng kontrata and then sila din yung nagpapatakbo dun sa buong proyekto na yun. So next is inspect properties to evaluate the conditions and foundations. So sila yung nag-inspect ng isang lugar kung yung pagtatayuan ba nila ng building ay prone sa natural disasters. Then next is use computer-aided design technology for simulation purposes. And lastly, lies with professional staff such as architects and engineers. So sila ay nakikipagtulungan dun sa mga professional staff kagaya ng isang architects or engineer. So that's all, and i-report nung kasama ko yung next na susunod dito sa topic.
Good day everyone, I'm Angelo Domingo and I'm going to report how to qualify as an associate member. The application must show that he or she is at least 25 years of age at the time of application. Ang ibig sabihin lang po nito ay bago ka daw po sa kanila mag-apply ay dapat ikaw ay nasa 25 years old pataas. Dahil hindi sila tumatanggap ng 24 pababa. At ang pangalawa po ay have at least 3 continuous year of full-time relevant structural engineering practice and must have accumulate 20 continuing professional development units from ASP. Seminars or convention within the last 4 years prior to application or earn 12 units in master degree in civil engineering major and structural. Engineering courses from reputable university have attended 20 hours of inter-office structural engineering lectures or have performed as a lecturer or a source. Dito naman po, ang ibig sabihin nito ay dapat daw po ay meron kang tuloy-tuloy na kaugnayan sa structural engineering sa loob na ito ng 3 taon. At dapat daw po ay nakuha mo ang 20 CPD units from ASEP at may 4-year seminars para makapag-apply, or dapat meron kang 12 units in master degree in civil engineering major in structural, at dapat daw po ay naka-attend ka sa 24 hours inter-office structural engineering lecture. The third is endorsed by 3 active regular members or fellows of ASEP, exclusive from either grades or combination thereof. Ang ibig sabihin lang po nito ay dapat daw po ay naipasok ka ng 3 active regular member nito or fellows of ASEP. Ang pang-apat po ay pass the screening process conducted by Membership Screening Board. Ang ibig sabihin lang po nito ay dapat daw po naipasa mo ang screening process na isinagawa ng Membership Screening Board. Ito lang po ang mga kailangan mong gawin para makuha ka sa iyong pag-a-apply sa kanila. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless.